So this is the first day with the GoPro Hero 5 Black. I just picked it up this afternoon, and one of the big draws that made me decide to get it was the video stabilization. I do some video recording with a mirror mount on the bike, and even with the Hero 4 in that mirror mount there was still a little bit of video shake to it. So I wanted to get something that would actually see how good it would actually smooth the video out. So I took this quick ride just to see how it would come out. And I didn't have any audio of me talking during the video because the GoPro Hero 5 doesn't have it easy as a setup as a 4 did, as far as plugging into 3.5mm mic adapter to it. So right now I'm working on trying to figure out a setup that I can do to try and easily record video while I'm riding. Not video, but record audio while I'm riding. Because right now the only option is to buy this adapter. It's like 50 bucks. And other reviews that I read on, it says it's really big. And it's not something I want to either try to put on the side of my helmet or to try to put in my pocket while I'm riding. So I figured out another way that I think I can get it to work. I have all the parts ordered, so hopefully they'll be here soon. Then I can get back to actually doing audio recording while I'm on the bike to go along with the video, instead of while I'm stopped after the video like this. So I'm gonna see how this comes out as far as the video stabilization goes. I think from the reviews I read on, it seemed like it would work pretty well from what everyone else has said. And I tried to hit as many bumps as I could while I was riding. Some of them I avoided because they were kind of big. I didn't want to, you know, smash the front wheel on my bike just to try and test out the camera. But I hit the ones that I could to try and get as much shake as possible to see how much it actually smoothed it up, because I know how much those bumps would shake the bike or my car when I hit them before, because I was real local when I went out and did this. So I just thought I would throw this together real quick. Hopefully I have some more videos up soon once I get the audio situation figured out with this camera. But until then, I'll see you later. Thanks for watching. One other thing that I wanted to mention is that I also run this mirror mount on the bike quite often. I'm only required to have one mirror on the bike in my state, so I have this on the bike all the time, and I use this during the video that I did. And this cuts down on the vibration a lot. I picked this off from Revzilla a little while ago. I'll throw a link in the description so you can order one if you want it. And it helps a lot for cutting down on a lot of the vibration. I've used the regular GoPro sticky mouse before. I had one mounted here, not on this bike but my other one. And doing that, it led to a lot of vibration. It was so bad that even the YouTube video editor, when it went to stabilize a video, it looked horrible. It's actually on my playlist for motovlogs, but it didn't come out very good at all. So running one of these plus the GoPro Hero 5 with the video stabilization, you're going to get really good results. And I didn't run the wind noise reduction in the video. I wasn't even aware that that feature was on the camera because I was researching it at the same time that I got it. But I'm going to do another video with that on and off to see if there's really any difference in how much it's improved or not. But if you're looking at doing video, you want to mount it from the front where you're not going to do any voiceover or anything like that while you're actually riding, then these mounts are excellent. They're pretty cheap and easy to put on, so I'll throw a link to that, and you should definitely pick one up if you're thinking about doing the same thing. See ya.